Image Consortium presents the 15th International Building Construction and Property Exhibitions under the theme Dream, Build, Experience. Date 29th September to 1st October 2017. Venue Movenpick Ambassador Hotel. Time 8 a.m.
We at Image Consortium are elated to announce to Ghana and the world that the International Building Construction and Property Exhibition is 15 years. For the past 15 years, we have provided the biggest marketing and exhibition platform for the built industry in Ghana, West Africa and its sub-region. We are grateful to all our sponsors, partners and collaborators. We say a very big thank you to you for journeying with us all these years. The International Building Construction and Property Exhibition is a vast arena that gives manufacturers, producers and service providers the opportunity to showcase and market their products, interact with end users and also get feedback on their products and services. As an end user, you get to see the product, feel it and touch it. You also get the opportunity to meet the face behind the product, interact with the manufacturer and even ask them to customize the product to suit your needs. The International Building Construction and Property Exhibition is your one-stop shop for all your building construction needs.
I must say that the patronage for this year's exhibition has been very encouraging, and we hope that we'll be able to establish good customer relationship with all our clients.
This platform has been a good one so far in terms of selling our products and understanding the market.
So, be a part of the 15th International Building Construction and Property Exhibition. Exhibit with us and let's give you a great marketing experience.
International Building Construction and Property Exhibitions, celebrating 15 years of great marketing experience.